What's up, Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out WarriorPlus, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good affiliate marketing network to make money from? How much money can you really make? Is it legit? What kind of products does it actually allow you to sell? I'm going to do a full review of WarriorPlus. You can check it out if you want. Right now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy that you can check out if you want. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on this channel, okay? All sorts of different networks, websites, products, business models, courses, paid and free websites, and some of them are really great, some of them not so great, and some of them are just straight up fake. So let's check out WarriorPlus to find out how this platform actually works, okay? So first of all, WarriorPlus is a very, very big and popular affiliate network, all right? So the way it works is you can come here, into home, create a free account with them, and basically log in, and a lot of product creators, software creators, tool creators, app creators have uploaded their products onto this platform, and you can kind of log on here and then just grab a link from any one of them, and if somebody buys through your link, you will get paid a commission directly from WarriorPlus. So let me show you how this works, okay? I'm gonna log into WarriorPlus right now. I'm not a huge user of WarriorPlus, but I have used it before and I've generated thousands of dollars from this site, and I'll show you that proof, and I'll do a withdrawal for you to see that it is legit, okay? So first of all, if you come in here, this would be your back office. Anybody can join, by the way, from anywhere in the world. That's what I like about WarriorPlus, unlike other big networks like ClickBank that are very strict, that only allow people in the US and the UK and big Western countries, some parts of Europe. It doesn't allow a lot of Asia or other parts of the world to join. WarriorPlus allows you to do that, which is very, very cool, okay? Now, if you come to the marketplace right here, you come straight to categories, you'll see that every single network focuses on specific categories. So with WarriorPlus, they're very, very big with internet marketing. So anything marketing education, so things like affiliate marketing, copywriting, email marketing, drop shipping, social media, CPA, SEO. They're very big in that space. Okay. They also sell products in different platforms. So Amazon, Google, eBay, Kindle, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Fiverr, Teespring. You get the idea, right? And then very big in software as well. Okay. So they have a lot of online and SaaS software, a lot of AI stuff, a lot of WordPress stuff, a lot of mobile, things like that, right? And then they have some services as well. So graphics, video creation, coaching, copywriting services, JV launch management, things like that. But in terms of, if you want to get access to different industries like cooking or gardening or learning how to do a backflip or, losing weight, things like that, they're not super big into those categories, all right? So these are the categories that they specialize in. And so if you want to market products outside of these categories, then unfortunately WarriorPlus is not so good in that area. But within these categories, they are very good, okay? Now, depending on what kind of product it is, it will depend on whether the quality is good or bad, okay? So just like other affiliate marketing networks, WarriorPlus has good products and they have pretty bad products as well, all right? So it's your job to go through the products to see what is good and what is bad, okay? Because ultimately, just like any shopping center, right? There'll be great products and there'll be not so great products. Just like any bookstore, there'll be great books and some books are not so great as well. So WarriorPlus is the same. It's just a network, right? Where you can find all sorts of products. So, but let's see how you can kind of figure that out. So we'll go to the top product section. And in the top sellers, you'll see that there are a bunch of, you can say, yesterday, today, let's do the last 30 days because the last 30 days is a lot more accurate, right? And you can see that these are the top products in order on who has sold the best. Now, just because Falcon has sold the best doesn't necessarily mean that the product itself is good. It just means that there are a lot of marketers that are pushing this product and the sales are very high. It's just a top seller. It doesn't necessarily mean that the product is a good quality product. So it's your job to go into the product and take a look at how good it actually is. But this gives you a general idea of what is selling well, and that allows you to maybe make a better decision on what to sell, okay? So let's just say it's this business in AI box set and forget programs, okay? Or what about this one? AI channel, AI YouTube channels and monetize them, all right? So let's take a look at it. If I click into it, it goes directly to the sales page of that particular product, okay? So you can take a look at it. You can see that, a lot of Plus sales pages look like this. There's a headline, there's a video, there's a lot of bullet points on how well it does. Usually it's quite cheap. One time it's $17, and then they've got a lot of upsells. All right, so you can make commissions all the way through. All right, and it really depends on the product that you decide to choose. But most of the time it's anywhere from, I would say, 40% commissions to 60% commissions that you can make as a marketer on the sales of this. Okay, so just give me 1 second here. All right, and let me kind of go back so that you can see. So if we wanted to find this program, I would just highlight it right here. I'm gonna copy it. I would come into my affiliate, because you're probably going to be an affiliate, right? And you would come straight to offers. Okay, so once you come into offers, you would basically paste it here. All right, and let's see if we can find this particular product. Okay, maybe it's called AI channel. So I'm going to search, and you can see it's right here. Okay, so it popped up right here, AI channel. So if I want to promote this product, you have to request for access from the product creator. All right, so you can see here that the number of sales, 2,000 plus sales. That's really good. The conversion rate is very high, 69%. The visitor value on average is $19.44, and the average sale is $42.22. That means that people will buy a certain amount of upsells. So let's just say they have 4 upsells. Maybe the average is they buy 2 or 3 upsells, and that's what gives you the average sale price. Okay, so if I wanted to request this, I would click on request, and I'm going to click on request for approval. Okay, and then I would just, you can make some notes if you want, and then I would click on request offer. All right, and then it's been sent to seller, and then once it's been approved, they will notify me, and then I can promote it. Okay, so what I would do is I would come back to offers, and let me go to some of the offers that I've already been approved for, so that you can see how this works. Okay, so if you can see here, there are certain offers that say get link, right? That means I've been approved. So secret email system, for example, I've been approved. AI, it was an immediate approval, which is great. Some here, get link, secret email system, and then I have some other ones as well. Okay, so let's just say if I wanted to promote secret email system, for example, right now, I would just click on get link because I've been approved, right? And then my default link, I would choose it, whatever it is, default, and then this would be my link right here. So all I would do is I would copy this. Okay, right click, I would copy it, and then if I was to paste this, right click paste in my browser, that is my affiliate link. So if I press enter, you can see the sales page to this particular product, which is secret email system, right? Now, if somebody then comes to this link right now and they buy this right here, okay, I will make a commission, and affiliate and WarriorPlus will send me the sale. Okay, it's as simple as that. So your job is really to promote your link strategically in the right places. It could be on social media. Maybe you have a following on YouTube. Maybe you have a following on Instagram, whatever it is. Send people to that offer, and when they buy, then you will make a commission. It's as simple as that. Okay, now let me show you some other stuff with WarriorPlus, which is pretty cool. Okay, so if I come here and I go down to my wallet, this is how you would withdraw your money, and WarriorPlus pays directly through PayPal. Okay, you can see some of the sales that I've made here. This is one of the main products that I promote through WarriorPlus. I haven't promoted it in a while, all right, but let me just show you how this works. Okay, so if I come down to let me see where it is, my summary, right? You can see that I've earned about $6,000 from WarriorPlus, so not too bad. It's not a huge amount, right? But again, WarriorPlus is not one of the main networks that I use, but they do have some good products, and when they do have good products, then I'll get behind the product and I'll do like a little small promotion. Okay, so you can see that it is real, it's legit right here. I've got about $475 left in my balance. Okay, I'm going to withdraw this right now. All right, so I'm going to click on here. You can see that it's very easy. You just come to the left here, withdraw, right? And then it goes into my PayPal. All right, I'm going to click on let me put in the right balance. So 475 and 26, and I'm going to click on withdraw funds. Yes, confirm. And you can see right there that I've now withdrawn $475 directly from WarriorPlus. So it's pretty cool. So, you know, I'm doing this live right now, which is awesome, right? So you can see that it is really legit, and you know, you can generate sales, and obviously you can, you know, make withdrawals, and you can see right here, right? So it's removed it from my balance. My current balance is 0 right now, and it's going to send it directly to my PayPal. All right. So WarriorPlus is a very cool platform. It's very stable. The thing that I like about it is that it's very easy to use. Okay, so again, I don't use it a lot, but when I do use it, it works very, very well. Okay, so a few great things about WarriorPlus is that it's global. That means anybody can, you know, grab the products here. You can create an account from anywhere. You can get access to some very decent products in these categories right here. So if you're into these categories, like I mentioned earlier, then it's great. Okay, obviously you're gonna have to do your homework on which, you know, products are good and which products are not so good. It's very easy for you to make a sale in terms of, you know, just grabbing your link from the offer section. And the thing that I like about WarriorPlus is they handle all the refunds, they handle all that stuff. When your you know, when your sales come through and they are legitimately coming through, then it just shows up in your balance, and then you can just link your PayPal and then withdraw it directly into your PayPal. And I've never had any payout options from WarriorPlus. That's what's great about it. Okay, now, what are the downsides of WarriorPlus? The downsides are that the marketplace, okay, if you go to categories again, unfortunately, they don't sell that many products outside of what they already sell here. So like I mentioned, they're very big into online marketing stuff, right? So affiliate marketing, drop shipping, email marketing, SEO, copywriting, they're really good at stuff like that. They're really good at, you know, e-commerce and online and SaaS software, okay, AI software, copywriting software, SEO software, things like that. But anything outside of that area, they don't specialize so much in that space. So if you want to sell like a weight loss product, if you want to sell a mindset product, if you want to sell a, you know, a gardening product, a cooking product, a backflip product, right? How to, you know, have a better golf swing product, they don't have stuff like that, unfortunately. So they're very limited by the categories of really, you know, internet marketing, online marketing, make money online, and you know, things like that in general, and software. Okay, so that's where they really shine. So if you want to find products outside of these areas, unfortunately, not so great. Now, the other disadvantage with WarriorPlus, just like a lot of networks, is they don't teach you how to sell their products. Okay, so they expect you, if you come here, to understand how to promote their products already. Now, the problem is if you're watching this video right now, you might be a beginner. You might have heard of WarriorPlus, but maybe you don't know how to promote this link. Like this link right here that I popped out right here, this WarriorPlus link, you may not have any idea how to promote this properly, okay? And if you're just spamming the internet, you're spamming social media, Instagram, Facebook, forums, you're not gonna make sales this way, okay? So the sales that I generated here, as you saw, right? I didn't do this by just spamming the internet. It's a very specific strategy that you need to implement to do it right. And so that's the big problem with WarriorPlus, is that it's a great network, right? But they don't teach you how to sell their products effectively, okay? You're gonna have to learn how to do that yourself, unfortunately. But as a network itself, I think it's very good if you are okay with marketing in those categories that you saw earlier, okay? So if you wanna check out WarriorPlus and start generating commissions from them, by the way, you can generate a lot of commissions if you know how to do this correctly, right? Then you can check out WarriorPlus.com. Now, if you're here watching this video and you're like, well, Aaron, I'm a beginner. I want to learn how to do this stuff, but I have no idea how, right? I don't know how to promote links online. I don't know how to choose a product. I don't know what categories to promote. I have no idea how to create a promotion. I have just no idea how to do this stuff. Can you show me how to do that? Well, I've got a training that will show you how to go from zero to your first $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing done in the right way. If you want that training for free, just click the link below and I'll send that straight to you. You can check that out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of WarriorPlus. Great platform, great network. I will see you soon on another video review. Take care.